Good morning children. Welcome to the class Crop Production and Management Part 2. In the last class we learned agriculture, and in agriculture practices are we already listed. In that there is 7 steps. Are the first step we already learned in the first part. Then preparation of soil. We prepared the soil. Today we are learning about sowing and adding manure and fertilizers. Second and third step we are going to learn. Then what do you mean by sowing? The process of scattering of seeds in the soil for growing crops, plants is called sowing. We have to scatter the seeds in the soil for what? Growing crops. That's why we can say that this process is called sowing. What is sowing? The process of scattering of seed in the soil for growing crops is called sowing. Then simply we cannot sow the seed. We have to take some precautions. In that, first precaution, seeds should be sown at the right depth in the soil suitable for germination. The correct depth we have to do it. The second precautions, seeds should be sown at right interval. We cannot put all the seeds together. We have to put a space or interval is needed. Then third one, seeds should not be sown in the dry soil also. Then seeds should not be sown in dry soil. Then fourth precaution, seeds should not sown in the highly wet soil. Understood? First one, seeds should be sown in the correct depth. The second one, seeds should be sown at right interval and spacing. Then seeds should not be sown in the dry soil. Fourth one, seeds should not sown in highly wet soil. Then some tools we are using for sowing seed. There are first one, traditional tool. Traditional tool we are using, seeds are filled in a funnel. In a funnel, seeds will be filled. Here we can see in a funnel, the seeds will be filled. Passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp end. Through this funnel, they will be doing what? Sowing the seed. This is the traditional tool. The second one, nowadays we are using this seed drill process, because this seed drill, they will be doing sow the seed uniformly at equal distance and depth, correct depth and equal distance it is doing. There are 2 tools are using for sowing seed, traditional tool and seed drills. Understood? Then next, third step, adding manure and fertilizers. We already prepared the soil. Second one, we already added the what? Sowing the seed also done. Then after sowing the seed, they need some manure and fertilizers. They want to grow. For that, they need some nutrients. For that, we are adding manure and fertilizers. The substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for what? For the healthy growth of plant is called manure and fertilizer. Same like human being, we are getting food. The same way plants also need some nutrients. That's why in the plants we are adding some manure and fertilizers. We are getting some substances from naturally, we are getting some we are preparing artificially. In manure we can say it is as a natural substance. From the dead and decaying vegetable waste from farms, household waste, from these all we are getting the nitrogenous compound. This type of nitrogenous compounds are called what? Manure. Second one, compost. We already learned in the 6th standard how we can make it as a compost at home. Vermicompost we learned. Then in that compost, organic substances are decomposed by bacteria and converted into humus. This manure and compost we can get it from the natural substances. Then some substances we are making from the artificially. They are made of ammonia, urea and phosphate. They are used to fertilize in a large area at a time. In a large area at a time, the fertilizers we can use it. Then what are the difference between manure and fertilizers? We know that manure means naturally we are getting from animal waste, dead organism, then food waste, from all we are getting the manure. But fertilizers from where we are getting? From what? Inorganic substance. We are making man-made inorganic substance. Then manure is prepared in the field or houses, from house itself we are preparing, or field we are preparing, but fertilizers we are preparing from the factory. Then manure is having a lot of humus to the soil. A lot of humus they will be providing what to the soil, but fertilizers is not providing the humus to the soil. Then manure relatively less rich in plant nutrients, but fertilizers very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Then advantages of manure. This we are using manure means we will be getting so many advantages are there. First one, it enhance. This manure enhance water holding capacity of the soil. Water holding capacity will be increased. Then it makes the soil porous due to the exchange of gases. Through this manure substances, what is doing? Exchange of gases will be very easy. Then it increases number of friendly microbes. Microbes will be increasing. Then last one, it improves the texture of the soil. Soil texture also increased by what? Manure. These are the advantages of manure. Then in crop rotation, what do you mean by crop rotation? If we are planting one type of crop in 1 year, the next year in that same field we cannot plant the same crop, we have to plant another one. Then only the fertility, everything will be increased, the humus will be increased, all the things will be increased if we are changing the crop yearly. Then in one season if they grow wheat, means the next season they will change the crop. This type of rotation is called crop rotation. Then advantages are the replenishment of the soil with nitrogen. It improves fertility of the soil and also helps to control pests, weeds and diseases. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.